Alright, good morning everybody. Today we are out here at Milford. Let's see what we can pull out. So for the spinnerbait, there's a shelf down right in front of it. I have my cork. I'm out there to see what kind of other fishies are around here. So let's get to it. Hope everyone's having a great time so far. I know I am. Hopefully we can pull something out of here. It's been a while since I've fished here at Milford. So we'll fish here for a little bit and then we'll continue moving down to the left. Start off with the slow and steady retrieval on the spinnerbait, and switch it up to stop and go. So for spinners, hopefully I catch something to show you guys. I usually like to start off with the slow and steady. So there you go. It's pretty windy, so hopefully you get something. I don't want to use my spinner on the shelf, but if I do, that's fine. It's a wee bit windy today, which is good. That's why I'm choosing a spinner. So, pretty much like that, pretty slow and steady. Let's do one more cast with slow and steady. And then we'll start doing stop and go. Hoping the smallmouths will come out to play. Oh, like a little bait fish was going out there to play on this thing. That's funny. I'll switch over here to the right and show y'all stop and go. It's another method I like to use. Let's get cast. So basically just drill it in for a little bit. Stop. You can jig it if you want. Throw it back in. Stop again. Throw it back in. And stop. Just bring it back on in. Stop and go is one of my favorites. But slow and steady, it hasn't done me wrong yet. And then stop and go. And we'll change spots. Oh, maybe getting something in my other line there. Maybe. Check this one. Nah, there's just hung up on the shelf. So you cast out just a little bit further. I think right there is perfect. So we'll let this sit for a second. Let's do another stop and go. And I'll get you on whenever I catch a fish. Other favorite, which is the twitch. We're just, jig it here and there. So you just keep going, like so. Stop. Keep going. Pray you don't get hung up. Stop again. And keep going. last one I like, twitch. It's almost like stop and go, but you're twitching. Sitting out there. Rolling on in. Stop. Get a little boop. Bring back in. Got a little boop. Bring it back in. Afraid I'll get hung up on the shelf. Boop. Back in. Those are my 3 favorite ways to do spinnerbait. If I can catch one, catch a fish later, show y'all the effectiveness of it. But I can't control that. Reel it in. Stop. Pull back in. Stop again. Go boop. And bring back on in. Boop. There you go. So this shelf that I'm on goes out. It goes out there a good ways. So if we go look to the right, it goes just right in front of that buoy, maybe by 20 feet. So I come out here a lot to go after catfish, but that's not the primary target.